Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 3 of how to buy and sell cars for profit. The first 2 parts that was quite a while ago, and I told you I would do a part 3 kind of going over, once I sold the car, how much I made, was it worth it, all that kind of stuff. So yes, I have sold the car, and I did make some money on it. So what we're going to do is going to go over kind of our expenses and all that kind of stuff, and tell you how much money I made, was it worth it, and kind of give you guys some tips. So I'm going to zoom in on the whiteboard here and we'll get started. Okay, so to begin, we'll go over our expenses, and then we'll go over kind of the profit, and then we'll subtract and tell you how much I made, and then if it was worth it and that kind of stuff. So for expenses, I kind of divided into 4 categories here: the car itself, the vehicle itself, how much the parts were, how much the inspection was if it needs an inspection, and then miscellaneous, which we'll go over last. So the car itself, I won for $400 plus the auction fees, which was $20. So the total for the car was $420. Okay, $420 even. That's what I paid for the car. Now for parts. What we needed for parts, we needed oh man, I gotta think back, it was quite a while ago. Okay, we needed a battery, which was, I got a second, like a refurbished battery or whatever from the pick and pull yard, which was, I believe it was $24.99, so we'll just say 25 bucks. I apologize for my writing here. Okay, we had a fender. Oops. Okay, the fender was, if I think back, the fender was right around 40 bucks, like $39.95, something like that. Okay, and then I did a brake job on the whole car, and I had to do 2 new rear cylinders, wheel cylinders, pads, rotors on the whole car. Now normally that would cost quite a bit, but I got a hookup for some brake stuff, so I was able to do the whole brake job for right around, I'll say, 60 bucks. Oops. Brake job, I don't know where to put this, 60 bucks. Okay, so next the inspect. That's about all for parts that I put into it. Normally a brake job would have cost probably closer to around 120 bucks, but like I said, I had a bit of a hookup, so it was 60 bucks for me. Okay, next the inspection, which is a flat fee of $325 where I go, so that's $325. And then miscellaneous stuff, I normally just add like a bit of money for like fuel for taking the car to the inspection, picking up the car, that kind of stuff. There's always some miscellaneous like nuts or bolts or whatever that you need. So I'm gonna we'll put down 50 bucks for miscellaneous stuff. Okay, so if we total all this up, grab out my phone here, do the math. Okay, so the car, 420, plus the battery, 25, plus the fender, 40, plus the brake job, 60, plus the inspection, 325, plus miscellaneous, 50. Okay, so we are into the car for $920 to have a running, driving, fully legal car. Okay, $920. Now, that's not bad. Yeah, it's, it's a little high, but I kind of expected that. Some cars you don't need an inspection because they're not written off, and that's a huge relief when that happens, because then, that's 325 bucks that extra you get to pocket. Okay, so what I sold the car for. So we'll go over here, we'll write profit. So what I sold the car for, I sold it for sold the car for $2,250. Okay, so if we take our $2,250, subtract our $920, we're left with 133,000. So essentially I made $1,330 on this car. Not bad. So pretty much I doubled my money, just over doubled my money, and that's essentially what I like to do. When I go to the auction to find cars to buy and sell, I look for cars and I kind of go through my head. I've done this a few times, so I know how to do it in my head, and I can look at a car and say, okay, it needs a fender, it needs brake job, and for the most part I can get pretty accurate of what I'm going to end up spending on the car and what I can sell it for. I was looking Kijiji and be like, oh, okay, well these cars this year with this much mileage is selling for $2,000 or selling for $10,000, whatever. I can kind of go through and I'm able to get a pretty good estimate of what I'm going to make. And so, like I said, I like to at least double my money. If I'm doubling my money, at least it's worth it for me. If I don't double my money, well, some cars it's harder to. Other cars it's easier to. More popular cars it's easier to, and you can normally get them cheaper at the auction because they're more popular. So anyway, that's kind of a rundown of what this last car I made on this last car. So like I said, $1,300 pretty much. And of course this is all just rounded. I have receipts. I always keep receipts and everything of the exact costs for my records, but essentially, yeah, $1,300, not bad for, I would say I'd estimate my work in it, like including getting the car, fixing it, taking it for the inspection, time selling it, I would say, I don't know, like 6 hours, something like that. 6 hours. So even if I value my work at $20 an hour, that's an additional like $120. So even still, I'm doubling my money. So anyway, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a lot of you guys asked for this, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll answer them. Happy New Year. This is New Year's Eve. This is December 31st or 31st. So Happy New Year. This is the last video for 2017. Hopefully 2018 will be pretty good. I hope to pump out some more videos for you guys. Now that I'm kind of back on track with a new truck and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. Check out the other two parts if you're interested. Subscribe. We're getting my subscriber numbers keep climbing, so happy about that. That motivates me to make more videos. When I see people are liking the content and they like the videos and they comment and they engage, it motivates me to get out and make more videos for you guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.